Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create a resume with Canva. Of course, when you open your Canva app, this is what you'll see. You can come to the search and type in resume. And here we have some options. We're going to click on resume template or resume professional. This will lead you to some options. Click on any. And when you scroll down, you can see lots of beautifully curated templates where you can simply go ahead and put in your details. We can go ahead and choose this one right here. So this is an example, and if you scroll down, you can see even more. You can click on this, and when you decide which you prefer, you can click on customize this template. So now that we have this, we can zoom in, and you can do this using your control button and your scroll wheel on your mouse forward and backward, and this will zoom in or out. Or of course, you could use the slider right here. So let's say we like this and we can zoom in to see some details. If you want to change the picture to yours, all you need to do is to click on it, then say delete image. Then you have the option to upload files and select the image you want to add right here. So after having your image, you can double click on this, change it. So we just changed the name to Lisa Longway. Graphic designer, let's say web designer. And here, of course, you could click on any of these areas to change it and customize it to what applies to you. You can put in your education here by following the same principles of clicking on it and put in your details. Repeat the process for each section: education, certification, skills, language, etc. And of course, you could see that previously it was a graphic designer, but now we're saying web designer. You're going to come down here and show your experience by changing this to web designer. Apply the same here. And as you can see, this is how you can make it personalized to your taste. So with Canva, you can create your resume. Instead of starting from scratch, you can follow the process of searching for templates, editing the templates, and exporting it into a PDF format. Once you're done, you could go to Share at the top right corner, click on Download, and then select the file format you want, either a PDF print or standard. And once this is done, you could go ahead and download your PDF file. So this is how you can create a resume with Canva.